The following content isn't intended for viewers under the age of 13.
T-Man 978, Chill Review.
Hello everyone, T-Man 978. This is going to be one of the most bootleggiest chill reviews you've ever seen. Because for one thing, it's going to have minimal editing because I don't feel like doing a whole bunch of the editing that I normally do. And you hear that? I have the hiccups. They will not go away. They're painful. They're getting on my nerves. Anyway, this is DC Multiverse DC Multiverse Nightwing. I normally would cut that out, but here he is. He's part of the collect to build Batmobile. He comes with the centerpiece of the Batmobile. Batgirl came with this right side. I'm assuming they connect together much like that. Isn't that awesome? The wheels feel rubbery and it's coming together. Luckily they only gave you 3. I've had this guy for a while and I haven't reviewed him for one reason or another, but now no effort randomness gave me Batman Who Laughs, so I might as well get this done and get this put together, which I wasn't going to do at first. He comes with this collector's card that looks just like the image right there, and he has this bio right here. Okay. Yeah, there we go right there. It also comes with this plastic wafer of a stand with a peg on it because he has peg holes in the bottom of his feet. Size comparison, he is taller than Barbara right here, which people were concerned about. They were saying that, oh, they're too tall, they're all the same size. I think everybody in this particular weave is probably the correct height. But here we are. He looks good. Look at that face. Look at the sculpting and whatnot. He does have these 2 rings on the back that do look unsightly. It would have been nicer if they could have like contracted in or something like that. You do see these open joints right there. I'm not sure if you see anything like that on their other figures. He is shorter than Wonder Woman, but she is supposed to be a little bit tall. I think she is taller than him, because I believe he's 5'10" and she's like 6 feet tall officially in the comics. But here we are. His outfit looks plain, but he does have textures and whatnot on the pants that you can see, and textures on the body. If I have any complaint, I kind of feel like, and maybe they aren't because they come right there, so they're about normal length. I kind of feel like the arms are a little bit short. His hands definitely, when he's not holding these batons, definitely look short. In the other issue, the McFarlane ratchety joints in the ankles. It seems like they always have like a little sweet spot, and it's hard to get one leg lined up with the other leg to where he can stand up straight, but you can do it apparently because I'm doing it right now. You can plug these into his back, as you could imagine, which is good. Head articulation, he can look down that much, look up that much, rotate, of course, tilt side to side. Since the neck is on a ball joint on the bottom, you could turn his Adam's apple to your liking. The arms are on that ball post system. They move smoothly, amazingly, and his arm isn't popping off. That's always good. You can punch up that high, do that, bicep swivel. They always have the deep double hinge elbows. Universal at the wrist, that's nice and tight. Even if he had a weapon that was heavier than these batons, he wouldn't have to worry about it weighing his arm down. Upper diaphragm, not too much, and I need to modify that. Some side to side, but he has a lot down here. You will definitely be utilizing that, and you can rotate at the bottom as well. This is pliable. I wish it were a little bit more pliable, but as you can see, you can kick the legs out that wide, and you can kick the legs up high and bend and crease this. You only get minimum or minimal rotation right there at the hip joint. Double hinged knees that goes all the way up, and he can kick his own butt. He can kick his own back. Ankles, universal ball joint. So rotate it and you can get all the articulation you need. Toes kick up like that. So he is definitely crazy posable. And he is a figure, as far as the posability, that I liked straight out of the box. And I would have him pose with both of these freaking batons if one of them didn't roll down into my little desk drawer right here. Here we are. This is on the ball joint. I kind of almost pulled it off just now, not realizing. But you can force that ball joint down there a lot. So definitely work with that. And you can get this guy into some freaking cool poses. I love it, to be honest with you. Let me move this tag on box. Height comparison besides Batgirl and Wonder Woman. Here he is next to Batman. He should be a little bit shorter. And here is the Marauder from Doom Eternal. Shorter than him. But yeah, as you can see, different 7-inch figures can match up with him for him to go up against. But I like him. If you can't tell by the stuff that I was saying, that was good. Only complaints is I wish his little trousers right here were a little bit more pliable so they don't get creases and whatnot in it. Maybe I wish the neck joint at the base was, or this material around his neck, I wish that was softer so I can bend more out of the way. But he does have a good range. That's a lot of up. Figures with the regular ball hinge can't do that, but he does have a double ball hinge at the top. So I like that. I said I wanted more range right there, and yeah, these two weapons that he comes with is cool. But maybe if he came with 2 fists or something, that would have been good. But I'm not gonna be greedy. He is good as is with the 2 weapons, his 2 signature weapons that he's always seen with. I apologize in advance for all the hiccups that you had to hear. Well, it's not advanced at this point because it's the end of the video. Hopefully the next video, I won't have the hiccups anymore. Thank you for watching this. Until next time, T-Man978, out of here. Click the videos. Click the videos, baby. Click the videos. You should really click these videos. Click the videos. Click those videos, baby. Click the videos. You really should click those videos. Click that shit.